Hello everyone, Carlos here. I'm a co-founder of a company, Physical Addons. We build tools for artists. I've been working here for 6 years. The funny part is that I don't know a thing in Blender, though I've been building these professional tools. So the mastermind behind is my brother, who's been using Blender for 30 years, 25 years, not sure yet. And the challenge I'm doing for myself currently is creating presets based on film scenes. So today I took a Blade Runner and I want to create this scene. And at the end of these videos, I'll be sharing the presets you can later on use or not use. Let's head and try it out. What you can see here, this is what I'm really used to. So this is how I work with Blender. My background is I'm a computer scientist, and I have a master's degree in computer science. And like years ago, I came in help to my brother Martin, helping in designing the UI, making code better, making it faster, replying customer support tickets. But basically, whenever I answer these tickets, all I do is I go create a new file, see this cube, try to replicate the thing, and in the most of the times I just see cube, nothing else. I don't see fancy things you send us in showcases. I don't see the fancy mountains, so I don't know how to work with it. But this is what I'll be trying to do today. Let me try now. I know that you use to delete things, yes. Also shortcuts, I'm not quite familiar with them as well. So how I usually add a cube is F3 add cube, for example. Yeah, this is the way I do it. X delete. All right. First of all, I think we can use thick fog or thick haze. There was one preset that really kind of resonated with me when I tried to do it last time, creating these presets. As you can see, this is more orange. You can find it somewhere here in color properties. All right, I don't like this part. We don't have the bluish thing here, and this is I think the hardest part to remove. So I'm just changing these values in a way how I just want them, just playing with them. I think that's the best way the add-on works as well, just playing with it. I know for sure that we can increase or decrease. How was it? Control? How do you do it? Nope. Let's try to do like this and see. Nope. I like this better. Maybe 0.05. Yes. Maybe 0.06 here. 5.5. Somewhere in between. I have to address this line a bit better. There's also these artistic controls that I kind of like to play with them. And of course ground color, let's make it more orangey. What if? Yes, this is what I was looking for. I think this is a lot more better already. I would love to have cube, grab X, grab Y, rotate Z, some like this. Shakalaka. Cube. These are my placeholders. Maybe in the future I will learn how to use, proper models. For now, light comes from the right side. Let's try to align also that one. All right, sun. Where's the sun? Let me reduce this so I can see better. Horizontal. Let's put it more here where it belongs. Diameter, does it change? No, it does not affect also intensity of it. What happens if I increase? Let's see, not much temperature. No, it just gives. Oh, but I can play with this as well. Still, I have to get rid of this blue part. Let me save this. Let's call it. No, Blade. I was just thinking about something else at the same time while I was writing the name. Blade Runner version 1. Because I want to come back to this if I mess this up. Doesn't affect that part as well. How? Anisotropy. This is a great one. Anyhow, I think this is really related with atmosphere density. Okay, what happens if it is 0.01? 0, like 0.025. No. Scale height. Can I manipulate it so that? Yeah, because by increasing it, I have this distinct line here. I can see the clouds. What if I don't want clouds? No, Blender? Right, cool. Scale height, what was it before? All right. Let's just see how it looked beforehand. 3000 scale height. What do you think? First of all, we should get rid of the sun disk. All right. So if I put some buildings there, I think it would quite look fine. All right. Click save. Save preset. Oh, did I save the Tatooine or Blade Runner? I think I. Thick fog. What did just happen? Here it is. I just lost it. Completely lost it. For some reason. Yeah. Anyhow. Oh my god. All right. If you would like to follow up my journey learning the Blender and showing off it from the different perspective you have seen, please tune in. There should be something I should say. Jeez. All right, I think this is it for today, for this morning. I'll try to create another preset tomorrow. So you can see this is it for this preset of a Blade Runner. Tomorrow I'll be trying next movie. Feel free to add in the comments what would you like for me to try, and see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.